How much material you need for a typical pothole depends on its length, width, and depth, so measure before you buy. Measure the pothole by recording the length across the longest dimension, the width at the widest point perpendicular to that length, and the average depth by probing several spots and using the mean value. Multiply those three measurements to get the volume in cubic feet, converting inches to feet by dividing by 12 when needed. If you are using a packaged ColdPatch product, check the bag for the stated coverage volume and compare it to your calculated pothole volume. Many packaged mixes are listed as covering about 1/2 cubic foot per 50-pound bag, but verify on the specific product label. When filling, compact in layers no thicker than 2 inches, using a hand tamper or the back of a shovel for small repairs, adding material and compacting until the surface is slightly crowned to allow for settling and water runoff. For margin of error, buy an extra 10 to 20% more material than your calculation to avoid running short, and save unopened bags for another repair if the product permits. Keep the work area dry and remove loose debris and standing water before placing material to improve bonding and longevity. Common mistakes include underestimating depth and buying only one bag, which leaves the repair low. So always measure depth thoroughly and purchase extra material to allow for proper compaction. Another issue is failing to compact in layers, which leads to rapid failure. So fill and compact in manageable lifts and ensure each lift is firm before adding more. A third problem is placing material on a wet or dirty base, which prevents adhesion, so clean and dry the hole as much as possible or use a drainage channel before filling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and makes it easier to find pricing ideas, product recommendations, and peer feedback related to pothole repair materials. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and find work or hire for projects.